Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 13 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finalize our design, and also I showed you guys how to create sheets right here. Now we're gonna continue working on this on Twinmotion. So now what we need to what we need to do is we need to go to the 3D view. And once we're in 3D view, I just want to make sure that you know that you need to put this one into File and then go back to Hidden Line. After that, you need to save, and then now you need to click on Twinmotion plugin and see in Twinmotion. Let it synchronize, and then now you need to click on New Project and then press OK. And then once we're here, check that everything is good, especially in your levels. What I need to see is our pull. So here we can still add the water. So now what we need to do next is go to our burger menu and then sign in to Epic Games. Once you're signed in, now we need to save our project. So click here and then save as to the location. So this is now saved to the location that I want. Now what we need to do is let's change the glass first. So right here on the left side, we have materials and then glass. What I usually add is the two-sided glass. I increase the opacity and then change the color of the glass to a much lighter tinted glass. And then here, opacity will be changed. And then that's good. Next, let's zoom it here. And then what I'm going to use is material picker. Select this mullion. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna increase this. Check that my settings, that metalness is turned on. So once you check that, that's good. And then now we're going to change the aluminum to a much darker aluminum metal. Then for the materials here, I'm also going to select material picker for this one because I remember that this one should be metal. And then here you need to turn on metalness. Go back, reflection, and then I want it to be dark. I want the same thing as this one, so this is the same thing as the door frame for the front. For this one, we just need to use the same one like this, and then we just need to drag and drop it there. Also, let's add the same materials for the window, so for the glass, sorry. And then here, for the materials of the water, we need to just go here and then go to water And then we have pole and pole number 1 and 2. Let's put this one right there and then make it darker. And then the water depth, change it. And then the waves. And then if you zoom in, we need to change the materials for this one. Most of the time, I want a tile base here. So let's go to Quixel Megascan and go to tiles and then ceramics tile and choose one of this. This one will be perfect for this one. I've used this one a couple of times. So now you just need to download it and then drag and drop. If we see, it will look like that. Now what we just need to do is scale it a little bit. And then for the water, I want it to be darker again. And then the depth, I want it to be looking like that. So that's perfect for that. Now let's focus on the front. Here I want to put a wood material right here, and I want it to be planked. This is usually what I use a lot. So let's look for more if we can. So I'm gonna use this one, wooden planks. Wait for it to load, and then let's load it right here. This one will be, that looks nice there. And then let's add a different wood pattern for this one. I will try this one and see if it looks nice. This one looks so dark. So I'm going to undo that and just check others. Maybe this one will be good. I'm gonna try this one as well. And then this one, just a regular wood. And then I'll scale it a bit. Like that. A different pattern. And then for this one, I want to change this to a stone. I'm going to change this one as well. Maybe this one will look nice here. Or something that is dull looking. So a stone that is not. Let me try this one. I'm gonna try the small tiles. I don't feel it, so I'm gonna change that again. So limestone. I might use stucco here because of the texturing. And then the thing that I don't like is that I need to change this one as well in Revit. So let's save this one and go back to Revit. And then right here, we need to fix, because I remember we did use materials. So this one, this is a material. So we need to use the same materials that we use this one. So I need to know or to remember what I use here. So instead, I'm going to choose this one just to change it. So now it's going to be tedious, but we need to change the one from the inside so that everything is being changed. And I don't like the white. And maybe I'll just do it from the inside first. And only on the front for now. And it's up to you guys to do it all. There we go. At least that one is fixed. This one we need to fix as well. I know this is would shake. And then this one, maybe the same thing. And then this one, I forgot the materials that we use here. What I'm gonna use is this parking so that we can see everything. So I'm just gonna do that in the front and then make sure to save it again and change this back to hidden line and then save and then click see in Twinmotion. There you go. So once we add the materials again here, it will go inside of it as well. So there's no more white showing right here, which is much better. Although we forgot about here, but that's fine because everything is white right here. But here, when we added the wood, as you can see, the wood is wrapping around this one. So for the stucco, I want to increase the material there, and then here I want to change it to another material. Maybe a stone again. So I'm going to go back here, or we could add in a concrete. I like this one. Yeah, this one looks nice. Maybe we could exchange this part to this part. Then we see how it looks. Yeah, this one is much noticeable. So I'm just going to do it like that. I'm going to decrease and then change the materials for the front door. So I'll change it like that. That looks nice. And then I think the material here we need to turn on. It's already turned on. So that's fine. Now we just need to go here and change this one. So this is a stone. Let's use this brown. and then add a ground nature, and then use this. So that's good. And then man-made, let's change this to concrete, increase that, another concrete there, another concrete. This one, let's add the same thing to the ones in front. And then for the inside of the house, what we could do is we could change this one as well to the case here. And I'm just going to go back here in Twinmotion for the surface, and then here wood. Let's change this one to a plank wood. So this painted wood plank, I kind of like it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna undo it. I'm gonna add for both of them. As you can see, the scaling is different for both of them. So I'm going to add this one and change the rotation 90 degree. And then scale it up a bit like that. And then here again, change this to 90 degree. And then change the scale to something like that. So it's not noticeable. And then here, reflective, this should be turned on. And then this should be around grayish. We actually need to put this one there. And then for the, let's use this one, and then reflective. So something like that. And then for the wall, let's add more to here. What we could use, this is actually nice now. We don't need to change this one. I kind of like the texture of that. And then at the top here, let's go to roofing, and we could use this and then just scale it up. So we're gonna continue this on the next video. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.